Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a loop for your roller coaster out of paper. Okay, first of all, remember, understand you're going to have 5 sheets of paper. So it's probably a good idea to make sure you have all your tracks the same size, etc. So what I've done is I've done some quick measurements and made some suggestions on how you should do this. Okay, first of all, I would suggest all your tracks go this way instead of this way. So this is lengthwise. Okay, so what I've done is I've measured out 3 different tracks. Now this is this is 6.5 centimeters across. I would suggest anywhere from 4 to 6 centimeters for each strip of paper. Okay, so once you have your measurements, if you're going to make measurements, you can go ahead and cut them out, just like this. Okay, so I've already folded these to show you how the tracks will look. Now, again, this is just a suggestion. You do not have to follow this. This is the way I would do it if I were making my own roller coaster. Okay, now, in order to make sure you guys have enough tape, we're going to give you guys 2 centimeters of tape. Once I distribute your tape to you, I would suggest you all ration your tape like this. So, notice I've just cut a strip out, so I'm going lengthwise with this tape. Okay, and then I'm going to go widthwise with the tape. Now, that is the way to use your tape. Okay, understand guys that you guys do not need to go crazy with the tape. Okay, notice strip here, little strips here. Okay, so put them to the side. Now I'm going to show you how to start making the loop. Okay, notice paper here. Okay, when you cut your paper, you're going to cut straight or perpendicular to your track, just like this. Okay, notice, not an angle, not this way, straight. And notice I did not cut several strips. All I did was cut one. The reason you want to do that is because you want to keep the integrity of this entire paper. The more you cut, the less stiff it's going to be, and the more problems you're going to have. Okay, so with that, you're going to start your loop. Okay, you're going to do it this way. Okay, now you put your tape down, and guys, this is a painstakingly slow process. I want you to understand this. This is not going to happen, okay, quickly. It takes time to make it correct. If you notice. Okay, so as you can see, your paper is going to start coming off the table. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut again straight on both sides. Okay, and try to make them as equal as possible. Okay, take my tape again. If you know, and then how the loop goes will depend on how much you angle the paper. Okay, now doing this makes it flat, so you want to kind of start doing less than 45 degrees, I'd say. Okay, and then tape. Okay, other side, taking my tape real quick. I'm going to cut it again. Notice I have my tape on hand so I can use it. Okay, again, going back, you're going to tape on both sides. Okay, and as you see, you start getting your loop. Again, going back, you're going to cut straight or perpendicular on both sides. Again, notice, not more than one, just one on both sides. Why? Because it keeps this nice and taut and straight. It doesn't, you don't have it's not flimsy. Okay, again, take your tape. You're just going to start, as you can see, it's going to start doing it for you. So all you have to do is just kind of angle it just a little bit more and then tape. Okay, notice I don't need a huge strip of tape. I just need enough to hold it, okay? You can go back and toughen it up a little bit once you're finished with the actual loop, okay? Again, you go ahead and make sure this side's nice and taped. Okay, going back here. Okay, there you go. Again, here we go. One more time. Both sides. Okay, again, not more than one, just one. Okay, more tape. I'm cutting strips and strips. Okay. Again, see, little strips of tape. Not more than I need. I'm not being wasteful with my tape. I'm conserving my tape because, again, you only get 2 meters of tape. Tape down. Tape down. Okay, and look, it's starting to take shape. You can see the nice little angle it's going to start creating. Okay, you're going to keep on doing this again, over and over and over, until you end up with your final product. Now, remember your requirements are you have to have a loop and a corkscrew. Loop, corkscrew. Loop, corkscrew.